Welcome to our channel, where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and psychology to empower your online business growth. In today's video, we'll delve into how understanding human behavior, combined with AI advancements, is shaping the future of business. Ever wondered if you could make money online without actually working? Well, grab your virtual wallet because with AI, we're about to make that happen. Sort of. Now, I know what you're thinking, can AI really make me rich without me lifting a finger? Well, it's not exactly magic, but it's pretty darn close. Think of AI as your personal assistant, but with a lot more brains, and a lot fewer coffee breaks. AI's here to do all the boring stuff, like sorting data, analyzing trends, and telling you which memes are actually funny. Meanwhile, you can focus on what you do best, making smart decisions. And maybe the occasional TikTok. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines designed to mimic human intelligence. In business, AI automates tasks, analyzes data, and enhances decision-making processes. Psychology in business focuses on understanding consumer behavior, motivations, and decision-making processes. By applying psychological principles, your online business can tailor strategies to meet customer needs effectively. Integrating AI with psychological insights allows businesses to predict consumer behavior, personalize marketing efforts, and improve customer experiences. For instance, AI analyzes data to identify patterns in consumer behavior, enabling businesses to anticipate needs and preferences. To succeed and earn more online, we need to understand the psychological needs of our customers, such as clarity, credibility, and connection. The good news? AI can enhance these aspects by delivering personalized and engaging content that truly resonates with your audience. Looking ahead, the fusion of AI and psychology is set to revolutionize business strategies. From AI-driven consumer behavior predictions to personalized product recommendations, the possibilities are vast. Embracing this integration will be key to staying competitive in the evolving market landscape. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more content on leveraging AI and psychology to drive business success. From automating your online business to creating content in a fraction of the time, AI is the ultimate sidekick to help you stack those digital bills without needing to actually work all day long. Get ready to start your AI-powered hustle. And remember, the robots may be taking over, but at least they're helping us make money.